Are you looking for the best motorized projector screens? In this video we will look at some of the best motorized projector screens on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Akia Screens 125-inch. The Akia Screens 125-inch projector screen offers an expansive and immersive viewing experience, with a 125-inch diagonal size that presents your content in a grand and cinematic manner. The viewing size is 61.42 inches in height and 109.05 inches in width, adhering to the 16:9 HD format aspect ratio for a crisp and vibrant display. The overall extended dimensions, including the black metal housing, measure 78.23 inches in height and 120.7 inches in width. One notable feature of this projector screen is its GreenGuard certification. It utilizes Max White 2, a high-quality projection screen material that has been certified by GreenGuard. This material is designed to deliver exceptional performance, supporting both 8K and 4K Ultra HD content as well as active 3D content. With a wide 180 degrees viewing angle and a gain of 1.1, the screen ensures bright and clear visuals from various vantage points. The fully black-backed surface enhances image contrast and prevents light penetration, contributing to a superior viewing experience. Cleaning and maintaining the screen is made easy thanks to its smooth surface, allowing you to enjoy pristine visuals without the hassle of extensive upkeep. It's important to note that the Akia Screens 125-inch projector screen is compatible with standard UHD/HD projectors, enabling you to make the most of your high-definition content. However, it's important to be aware that this screen is not compatible with ultra/short throw projectors. Number 2. Kayle 120 Motorized Projector Screen. The Kayle 120 Motorized Projector Screen is a versatile and high-quality projection solution designed to enhance your home theater or presentation setup. With its widescreen aspect ratio and compatibility with both 4:3 and 16:9 formats, it provides an immersive viewing experience that is akin to an HD TV, making it an ideal choice for movie nights, home cinema, or professional video and film presentations. One of the standout features of the Kayle 120 Motorized Projector Screen is its premium screen material. Boasting a 180 degrees viewing angle and 1.2 gain, the screen delivers vibrant and sharp visuals with excellent color representation. Its black-backed design and texture surface enhance contrast and picture clarity, while also being fully capable of supporting 4K Ultra HD and active 3D projections. Additionally, the screen material is easy to clean, ensuring that you can maintain a clear and pristine viewing surface effortless. The projector screen is equipped with an efficient synchronous motor that operates seamlessly and silently, offering a prolonged operational life. The inclusion of remotes and a detachable 3-way wall switch provides convenient control options, allowing you to adjust the screen with ease to suit your preferences or presentation needs. Number 3. Akia 100 Motorized Projector Screen. The Akia 100 Motorized Projector Screen is a cutting-edge audio-visual accessory designed to enhance your home theater experience, presentations, educational sessions, and outdoor movie nights. With its impressive features and user-friendly design, this projector screen offers convenience, exceptional visual quality, and reliable performance. The Akia 100 Motorized Projector Screen boasts a 16:9 aspect ratio, providing a wide and immersive viewing experience. Its generous 100 diagonal screen size, measuring 87.01 x 48.82 inches, ensures that your content is displayed with clarity and precision. Despite its sizable dimensions, the screen is surprisingly lightweight, weighing in at 19.8 lbs, making it manageable to install and operate. Equipped with an energy-efficient motor system, the Akia 100 Motorized Projector Screen operates quietly, emitting less than 42 dB of noise. This not only ensures a distraction-free environment but also contributes to the longevity of the screen's motor. The screen's control system includes a long-distance radio frequency remote and a wall-mountable control panel, allowing you to manage the screen's operation effortless from your desired location. Number 4. Akia Screens 104-inch. The Akia Screens 104-inch projector screen offers a captivating and immersive viewing experience with its impressive specifications and features. With a generous diagonal size of 104 inches and a 4:3 HD format aspect ratio, it provides a large and clear viewing area for your presentations, movies, or multimedia content. The actual viewing size measures 61.9 inches in height and 82.5 inches in width, ensuring that your visuals are showcased with clarity and precision. Crafted with quality in mind, the screen boasts a sturdy and sleek white metal housing that adds a touch of elegance to any space. The overall extended size, including the housing, measures 74.1 inches in height and 92.5 inches in width. This easy-to-install projector screen arrives fully assembled, making it a hassle-free addition to your home theater or presentation setup. The included installation kit simplifies the process of mounting the screen to your desired location, whether it's on the wall or ceiling. One of the standout features of the Akia Screens 104-inch projector screen is its impressive visual performance. The screen's Max White 2 material, with a 1.1 gain, ensures vibrant and vivid images. Its multi-layer weave enhances the viewing experience by offering a wide 180-degree viewing angle, allowing your audience to enjoy clear visuals from various positions in the room. The screen is also fully black-backed, which eliminates light penetration and enhances contrast for improved image quality. Number 5. Elite Screens Yard Master Plus. The Elite Screens Yard Master Plus is a high-quality projection screen designed to elevate your home theater or outdoor viewing experience. With its impressive specifications and user-friendly features, this projection screen offers a versatile and immersive platform for enjoying your favorite movies, shows, and presentations. The Elite Screens Yard Master Plus boasts a generous 120-inch diagonal screen size with a 16:9 aspect ratio, making it ideal for widescreen content. The viewable area measures 59.0 inches in height and 104.7 inches in width, providing a spacious canvas for your visuals. The overall dimensions, including the frame and legs, are 124.0 inches in height, 110.2 inches in width, and 40.9 inches in leg size, ensuring a substantial presence. The screen features a silver aluminum frame that not only adds a touch of modern elegance but also ensures stability and durability. The collapsible frame is designed for easy setup and portability, with detachable T-legs included. The sealed-edge detachable frame design with material snap button attachments enables a seamless and taut projection surface.